Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, for watching my videos. You guys are amazing. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jen. I do a lot of DIYs here and I love glam DIY, but I kind of like the practical things as well. Today I'm gonna do a chalkboard out of this for my kitchen, which I will put on my agenda, like what I have to do. My daughters who have swimming and stuff this summer, so it's kind of hard to like keep up with everything. So I want to do like a board to like put it up and say, okay, so this is what we're doing today, and this is the time that we have this, and this is when we have to do this. So I started doing this, and I'm like, you know what, I should film this. So I'm using a frame. I don't know how big this frame is. It's kind of like the long frame, the rectangular ones, which is really big. It's kind of heavy. I think I got this from ikea. I'm not really sure, but you can get the ones at the Dollarama as well. I'm not sure if the Dollar Tree carries this one this big, but you can go ahead and check your local Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this chalkboard paint. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and I also have this chalkboard markers. So I started doing this already, and I wanted to spray the glass on here, but I ran out of paint, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this. So it would be easier for me to paint this if it was like all black, but now I have to cover everything. So I'm using this, I think these are blotching ones. That's the only one I have available, but I'm just gonna go like this and just kind of sloppy. Just paint it in this way, and be careful on the edges. Although everything is black, I just want to make sure that the edges are clean. And then you might have to do 2 coats, but it depends. It's like back to kindergarten and painting. You can paint in whatever direction you want. I know it's always good to paint in one direction, but sometimes when you're having fun, the direction doesn't matter. I also have another DIY for you guys, so I will be doing it after this one. I wanted to do 2 DIYs in this video, because these are simple DIYs, so I can just fit 2 of them in there. Okay, so I'm just going to let this dry. I'm just going to let it dry, and then I will be right back. So you guys, while the other DIY is drying up, I decided to do this DIY. So we'll be going back and forth on this video today. So yeah, let's just see how we do it. So I got this from the Dollar Tree. From the Dollar Tree is a bunch of shells. Let's just pour it. So it's a bunch of shells. Oh, look how pretty this one is. And it has sand in there too. But I wanted to make like a nautical feel for my guest room. So I wanted to make a mirror with all these shells and all these beautiful knickknacks here. So first thing I'm going to do, I got this as well from the Dollar Tree. This is an old mirror frame that I have, but they have this at the Dollar Tree. Not the gems, the shells, sorry, all around here. And I will be using my glue gun. And I might be using these, I'm not sure. So let's just start this beautiful DIY. Okay, so first I like it this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on here. So you can just, ooh, okay. You just go like this and just put it in like here. You can do whatever style that you like. I like mine to be all over the place, so I'm just gonna start with these ones first. Look how pretty this is. And these shells are so amazing. And this is the first time I think I've seen this at the Dollar Tree. I've never seen this before. I don't think I ever looked actually for shells. But this is really pretty, and I think I'll be getting a lot more of these, because my guest room, I just really like a nautical feel for it. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. a couple of glass bottles that I had a long time ago. These are the nice small glass bottles, and then I have these blue gems. Just put them in anywhere. Like, it doesn't really matter. Just put them in anywhere you like. So you guys, this is the finished product. All my shells and everything. And you can also use this as a tray if you like. It's really cool. You can add some legs to this and use this as a tray, but this finished product looks really pretty. The blue made it so pretty. I'm just gonna hang it up like this so you guys can see. And yeah, there we go. Okay, let's go back to the other deal. So, in the meanwhile, I'm just gonna add some of this here. So you guys have finished lining this up. I added this all around. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'll be doing. So I can write 5 p.m. swimming. However you spell it, Isabella. You know, you can write whatever you want. You can also, and it erases perfectly. Perfect erase. Dry sheet and no black chalkboard paint residue. So much you can do. Erase it. I like to just always using something that's a little bit down. So just erase it off. And yeah, just do this. And bye guys, see you in my next one. I hope you liked this video, and this is what it looks like, you guys. So here we go, and thank you guys for watching. Again, give me a big thumbs up, check out my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in my next one, guys. Bye, thanks for watching.